this is what comes in the box. It comes with the solar panel, the charging cable, because it is also battery powered, so you can charge the battery up and use that as a backup to your solar. This is the mounting bracket that you put together to hold the camera on the wall. This is also part of the mounting bracket. These are your instructions for how to build the mounting bracket. Seems pretty straightforward, pretty easy. Your user manual, and this is the actual unit that is the camera. So it comes with 2 antennas for your Wi-Fi signal, and there's also a speaker on the back because it does do 2-way audio, so you can hear things and speak through it in case you wanted to speak to your delivery man or your mailman or your children playing outside. Take this part, and this is what's going to go into the back of our camera. So then you take your cord from the solar panel and you plug it directly into the back, and the cord for the solar panel actually has a little waterproof plug, so when you connect it, it keeps the seal so no water gets in there. There you go, and you're all set. So the camera comes with a cool app that you can use on both Android and on Apple. And what you do is you download the app, you register. It's got a really cool feature where you can let an alarm go. And it also has a cool light feature, so you can, let's just say if you didn't have a light up on your porch like we do, the camera actually has a light on it, so it'll light up whatever you want to look at. It lets you adjust the height and the angle so that it's only triggered by the things you want it to be triggered by. Gives you a little quick instructional again in case you haven't set it up yet. And it looks like we're all set. Here's our camera. Let's take a look. Oh, perfect. That is our porch. And the best part about this is you can change the positioning of it right on the app. Right on this main screen, you can just press the button. That's us. Hello. And you can position it. For us, this would be ideal, so we can get our view of the front door for when our Amazon packages come in, our mail, or just anything that might come to our front door.